Yes, folks. So in this particular video, I will just show you like how the I have already have been done actually, right? So I will just show you like how the things is working it out. I will sample QR sample barcode. We will just take it. Okay. I am just taking this data. Okay, for www.google.com. Right. So for that, I am just generating a barcode. Will I able to get this information or not, that I will just check it out. Okay, so what I will do, I will just download this barcode and I'll just write it as URL1. Okay, so already we have been done actually, so that's why I'm doing actually here. Okay, so you will get the idea, like overall you will get an idea like what I am doing here basically. See, if I'm just writing here, right, QR code URL1, right? So if I'm just clicking on upload, right, you got the idea, right? So I am getting the information here, barcode is getting displayed here. Okay, I have been created this web application using the Flask framework. Okay, altogether how the processing an image, how the QR code is generating and all, I will just show you afterwards. First I am explaining you like how I am creating a generating a QR code, and I am extracting that information and presenting in the form of a table. Okay, so this is a overall idea about it. So think like how you can explained you in the previous video, like to like how to structure a code using a Flask framework basically, right? So this is a small video for demonstration the application, how it will be going to look like it is a basic application. So what I did is for two workable and functional code to write it. So for that purpose itself I have written the basic web application actually. So you will get the idea like how the things is going to work here in this particular functionality, right? So I will just pushing this particular code into GitHub. Let me know like any changes that you are making it out, making a put do kindly do on the changes on clone the GitHub repo and push the code. So I will be getting to know like what are the changes that you are making into this particular code actually, right? So this is a particular video so that I want to show you this particular thing, right? So I'll just show you the demonstration like how the code structure is looking like actually, right? So 200 success, everything is working fine right away. So like I am first how I created, I will just show you like what is the basic idea basically was there, right? See here, so these are the libraries which I am using here, like for the Flask, CSV, CV2 for computer vision, right, PyZ for creating the that bar, whatever we are doing right here. So if you just like this particular library I am using for pandas, and the like mixing of the both libraries I am using basically. So barcode generator is there, right? So that is only this library will be going to do it basically. Okay, so as for creating the files handler, I have used this create a CSV file, this functionality folks. Okay, for updating a CSV file after uploading a file, after that all the concoding the things that I have did this particular function I have created, create, convert image to base64, update CSV file and all. Okay, so here this is a route. Okay, I have already told you in previous video that route is nothing but where you want to go. This is a first page slash, right? So it is a basically a index.html. Okay, after clicking on the upload button, this route will be going to call. So I'm just writing here method equal to post. Okay, so it will be going to check whether the request file, if you have already selected or not. Okay, by default it will be no file selected. If if you see in the web application, right, no file chosen is there, right? So if this has not been uploaded, right? So this is something like this. Maybe I have closed. Show you like how the things is there. Okay, we'll run this app. I will run this app. See here, it is something like this, no file chosen, right? Okay, so this is a basic idea over here basically, right? After that I will be reading that image, right? I will be decoding that image which we have uploaded, right? If it is not a barcode, it will be going to straight away tell that no barcode found, like a pop-up, some kind of a thing alert. It will be going to show it to you. Okay, so one barcode in the image will be going to show it to you, right? It's the standard encoding UTF-8, and it will be going to update into the CSV file. Okay, it will be going to update it. So if you just see here in the data.csv, so all the information of the barcode you will be getting. Okay, so whatever the value of a barcode values are there, okay, so that information we are getting here. Okay, got the idea, right? So these are the information which we are collecting, like we have uploaded that barcode value, we are going to display it over here basically. Okay, so this is overall objective to create this particular application. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just push this particular code into GitHub. So let me know in comment section, like do you want to explain this application in detail or not? So if you are not interested to discuss all the application, how we can create it, it's up to you folks. Okay, if you want it, then only I will be going to discuss this over a channel. Okay, that's it about this video folks.